How to log in to Eli Lilly Employee Portal. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the very top, you're gonna see the search box. Over there, type in Eli Lilly Employee Login and then search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Just scroll down, navigate to this one website option, go ahead and open it. Workday Login, click on it. With that, you'll be directed to this kind of interface. Now click on this option of here. You will land to the login page. Now from here, you can easily get access to your account. First up, type in your email address, then type in your password. In the case you have forgotten your password, you can click on the option of forget your password to recover it. After you provide your details, go ahead and click on the option of sign in, and just for that, you will be logged into your account. So this is how you can easily log into Eli Lilly Employee Portal. That's a wrap for this video. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.